Hello, welcome to another ShortPoint tutorial. My name is Max. Do you have lots of data on your page? Navigating it up and down might be overwhelming. Good thing we have your back. Many of our customers asked for this feature, and we're so excited to finally bring it to you. The Search and Filter Toolbar. This new feature allows you to embed widgets in design elements that handle large amount of data. For example, you can now search for a specific employee in an image list, filter file types in a file list, sort date lists in ascending or descending order, and so much more. Want to try it on your own SharePoint page? Let me show you how. This is a very long list of employees we made on our intranet page. With such a long list, it's really hard to find what we're looking for. To help you with that, we'll use the Search and Filter Toolbar. To access the toolbar, you must open the Settings window of the design element. Then, go to the Toolbar tab. Here, you'll find 3 widgets you can use. Search allows you to find specific information within your design element. Filter allows you to narrow down the displayed content using a specific criteria. Finally, Sort allows you to arrange data in ascending or descending order. Let's activate the Search widget first. To do this, simply select it. You'll then need to choose which design element property the search will target. You can also customize how it looks, including the search bar's location, placeholder term, and size. Once you're satisfied, click the Activate button to apply your changes. But what if you also want to sort and filter your content? You can also do that. The Search and Filter Toolbar allows you to activate multiple widgets. All you have to do is repeat the steps we've covered earlier for each widget you want to use. Now, if you want to further customize the look of the active widgets, you need to open the toolbar settings. Here, you can adjust the size and text color of the widgets. There you have it. You and your users can now leverage these added widgets to efficiently navigate and interact with the data on your SharePoint page. But, in case you no longer want to use a widget, you can deactivate them too. To do that, open the Design Element settings. Then, switch to the Toolbar tab, select the widget you want to remove, and click Deactivate. Finally, press Apply Changes to complete the process. Everyone in ShortPoint is committed to help you enhance your SharePoint sites. With the Search and Filter Toolbar, you and your users now have a more efficient way to interact with content. We hope this adds value to you and your users' intranet experience. Until next time, thank you for watching.